Keto-Butter-Tarte recipe, a low-carb, sugar-free Canadian classic. Butter tarts, a Canadian culinary icon, are traditionally known for their flaky pastry and sweet, buttery filling. However, for those following a ketogenic lifestyle, indulging in this classic dessert may seem like a distant dream. But fear not. The world of keto cooking brings a delightful twist to this beloved treat, allowing you to enjoy the essence of butter tarts without breaking your carb budget. This article will guide you through a keto-friendly butter tart recipe that retains the traditional taste and texture while being low in carbs and sugar-free. Adapting the classic for keto. The ketogenic diet emphasizes high fat, moderate protein, and low carbohydrate intake. Traditional butter tart recipes, with their sugar-laden filling and flour-based pastry, don't fit into this dietary framework. To make a keto-friendly version, substitutions are necessary. Almond flour replaces traditional wheat flour for the crust, while sugar alternatives like erythritol or monk fruit sweetener are used in place of regular sugar. These adjustments make the tart suitable for a keto diet without compromising on taste. Ingredients. For the keto pastry: 1½ cups almond flour, 1/4 cup coconut flour, 1/4 cup erythritol, or other keto-friendly sweetener, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, chilled and cubed, 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon salt. For the keto filling: 1/2 cup unsalted butter, melted, 1/2 cup keto-friendly brown sugar substitute, like erythritol-based brown sugar, 1/2 cup sugar-free maple syrup, or a keto-friendly syrup, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of salt. Step-by-step recipe. 1. Prepare the keto pastry. In a mixing bowl, combine almond flour, coconut flour, erythritol, and salt. Cut in the chilled butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Add the egg and mix until a dough forms. If it's too dry, add a teaspoon of cold water. Wrap the dough in plastic and refrigerate for about 30 minutes. 2. Make the keto filling. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, whisk together melted butter, keto-friendly brown sugar substitute, sugar-free syrup, eggs, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt until smooth. 3. Assemble the tarts. Roll out the chilled pastry between 2 sheets of parchment paper to about 1/8 inch thickness. Cut out circles with a cookie cutter and gently press them into a greased muffin tin to form tart shells. Spoon the filling into each shell, filling them about 2/3 full. 4. Bake the keto butter tarts. Bake in the preheated oven for 18 to 22 minutes, or until the filling is set and the crust is golden. Allow to cool in the pan for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Conclusion. This keto butter tart recipe is a testament to the adaptability of traditional desserts to fit modern dietary needs. By making a few smart ingredient swaps, you can enjoy a dessert that's not only delicious but also aligns with your keto lifestyle. Whether you're a longtime keto follower or just looking for a healthier alternative to a classic, these keto butter tarts offer the perfect blend of nostalgia and nutrition. Enjoy the rich, buttery flavor and the guilt-free pleasure that comes with each bite of these low-carb delights.